Mosquitoes are small, midge-like flies which comprise the family Culicidae. The word mosquito, formed by mosca and diminutive ito, is Spanish for little fly. The oldest known mosquito with an anatomy similar to modern species was found in 79-million-year-old Canadian amber from the Cretaceous. The mosquito Anopheles gambia is currently undergoing speciation into the Mopti and S. avana molecular forms. Anopheline mosquitoes, again not necessarily in the genus Anopheles, sometimes bear pathogenic arboviruses, but it is not yet clear that they ever transmit them as effective vectors. Each species selects the situation of the water into which it lays its eggs and does so according to its own ecological adaptations. Such differences are important because certain ecological preferences keep mosquitoes away from most humans, whereas other preferences bring them right into houses at night. Females of many common species can lay 100-200 eggs during the course of the adult phase and their life cycles. Some other species, for example members of the genus Mansonia, lay their eggs in arrays, attached usually to the undersurfaces of water lily pads. Clutches of eggs of the majority of mosquito species hatch as soon as possible, and all the eggs in the clutch hatch at much the same time. Soon the mosquitoes begin attacking mammals more readily, thereby becoming the major vector of the virus, and causing epidemics of the disease, most conspicuously in humans and horses. Even fish may be attacked by some mosquito species if they expose themselves above water level, as mudskippers do. Cellular proliferation in response to Illinois 2 is clearly reduced by prior treatment of cells with mosquito salivary gland extract. Digesting that volume of blood takes a while, and the mosquito will require energy from sugar in the meantime. In species that feed on mammalian or avian blood, hosts whose blood pressure is high, the mosquito feeds selectively from active blood vessels, where the pressure assists in filling the gut rapidly. In the sense of the entire family Culicidae, mosquitoes are cosmopolitan. In every land region except for Antarctica and a few islands, mainly in polar or subpolar climates, at least some species of mosquito will be present. In warm and humid tropical regions, some mosquito species are active for the entire year, but in temperate and cold regions they hibernate or enter diapause. These requirements would not be realistic in Iceland, and in fact the absence of mosquitoes from such subpolar islands is in line with the island's low biodiversity. Iceland has fewer than 1,500 described species of insects, many of them probably accidentally introduced by human agency. Entomologist Phil Launibos of Florida Medical Entomological Laboratory FML, Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences (IFAS), University of Florida, says that eradication is fraught with undesirable side effects, as mosquitoes are important pollinators, and a significant food source for birds and bats and, as larvae, fish and frogs, parts of the food chain affecting many species. Furthermore, even among mosquitoes that do carry important diseases, neither all species of mosquitoes, nor all strains of a given species transmit the same kinds of diseases, nor do they all transmit the diseases under the same circumstances. For example, some species attack people in houses, and others prefer to attack people walking in forests. In most species, adult females lay their eggs in stagnant water. Some lay eggs near the water's edge. Others attach their eggs to aquatic plants. If, instead of slapping a feeding mosquito, one stretches one's skin so that it grips the proboscis and the mosquito cannot withdraw it, the pressure will distend the gut until it breaks and the mosquito dies. In contrast, male mosquitoes are not bloodsuckers. Externally, the most obvious feeding structure of the mosquito is the proboscis.